Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we got this S7 for a little test drive. It's a really beautiful car. S7 badge over there. Nice exhaust system and what is more, I got a beautiful view over there. Of course, got a spoiler, braking lights over there. I'm not sure if you can see them. V8 turbo. In here we got this 4.0 liter V8 twin turbocharged engine. Which produces 450 horses. So let's start this test drive. We got lovely frameless windows. And in here, yeah, it's a really lovely interior. Alright guys, something important for me in between. I've noticed that many of you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, so please, before you go on watching this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload. And if you liked this video, please like it, share it, and leave a comment behind what you think about it. Thank you guys, and now keep on watching. The owner has made some changes, like over there. It's not original, and there is Alcantara everywhere. So normally there would be plastic, but the owner is a cool guy, so therefore there is Alcantara over here, and the rest of course is leathered. You got those leathered seats. I really love the stitching. S7 badge over there. They're nice and comfy. You got a great feeling. The steering wheel is really nice as well. S7 badge down there. You got infotainment system, but yeah, we don't need it now. And we got an automatic transmission, 7-speed, dual clutch. And yeah, so let's start this test drive. We got a really nice mountain road in front of us. And what else do we got in front of us? There is a head-up display. It's really sharp. Probably you won't see it, but I do, and that's most important. We're going to drive and pull it once more. Then we go into sports mode. The engine is already warm. We got about 100 degrees. Oh, yeah. Well, maybe just check the sound. Go in neutral. Okay, we got a soft limit over there. Who the fuck cares about that? Come on, sports mode? Yeah. Alright, we got two motorbikes coming over there. We got electronic brake. Open it and let's start. Really nice pops and bangs. I love the sound. We even got some pedals to shift, but yeah, In sports mode, the automatic transmission or the software does a good job as well. That was manually shifted by me. That we can hear this lovely V8 engine under the hood. For more aerodynamics, we can pop out a spoiler at the roof for more downforce, of course. At such low speeds it's unnecessary, but it looks cool. Yeah. Zero to 100 in 4.6 seconds. Of course, kilometers per hour, because we are in Europe. That's kind of fast. They have to be considered that this particular car is 7 years old. It was built in 2015, but this generation was built way earlier, like about 2011, 2012. That's about 10 years ago. For this age, it's really nice. The engine and the transmission work so lovely together with the all-wheel drive system. Yeah, that is what I mean. It sounds really lovely. All in all, I kind of fell in love with this car. I really did. It feels so great, and it is, yeah, it's really, you get a lot of fun for a little money, a little price. Of course, those cars aren't cheap as well, but they are affordable. You got a V8 under the hood, which produces 450 horses. You got 550 Newton meters of torque, dual clutch. Yeah, really nice interior and a lovely sound. Nice figures and stats as well. There is nothing more to wish for.